for a very reasonable price, then this might be your hotel. Buenos dias, muchachos. Trolley here. This is my review of the Hotel Meridien, located in Thailand, Khao Lak, 1.5 hours away from Phuket. In case you wanna have a cocktail during your stay or at your arrival, this bar will serve you very good Mai Tai, for example. There you have the lobby. This is the lobby reception here. Alright, let's go further. I want to show you the business center. Here's the business center. Very, very convenient for digital nomads. One of my favorite rooms in the hotel. Look at this, how spacious. Put my laptop here on desk and basically this is my office. Like, and this all view is mine. Like, how crazy is that?
So basically, if you don't know yet where to go or what to do, we do have the tour desk in front of our lobby.
Okay.
It is available for you at 8 onward until 6 p.m.
Okay.
If you need any information.
Okay. Perfect.
But normally around here there will be like a nature trip.
Okay.
Something like floating, the bamboo floating, something like that.
Oh, okay. So I just go there to the reception and they tell me more about it.
Yes, yes. If you would like to explore like the island, we also have the tour desk who can give you the information.
Hippie Island.
Yeah, something like that. Yes, please.
Thank you. I can take this, no problem.
Okay,
Is this alcohol or?
sorry?
Is this alcohol?
No, it's not alcohol. It's very refreshing.
Perfect. Yes, let's check out the beautiful room. Wow, look at this amazing room. Isn't that gorgeous? Check it out. Unbelievable. Welcome. This is a welcome. This is what I understand. What is it? Where do I have to put it? It looks like new also. Yeah, I could stay here. Definitely. Nice room. And a very comfortable bed. And here we have this beautiful spacious bathroom, to put it mildly. Room amenities. I call these, for example, this is a body moisturizer. Then you have here a shower. All the same hotel room amenities. Toilet. What I like about the toilet is that they have this shower. Why don't we have them in Europe? Why? That's more hygienic, let's put it this way. All in all, this is a very nice, spacious bathroom. Yeah. And what's the best part about this room is that it's on the ground floor, and I have, opening this door, direct access to the pool. Alright then, the next station is breakfast area there.
Called the credit card sandwich. You have your credit card.
Food corner, chicken in the morning. Did I have an omelet? Yeah, just this one. Alright, this is my breakfast for today. Check it out. Steamed kosher food here. Indian food. You can order like this beautiful piece of art omelette with a nice prawn on it, if you wish. How it melts. Tastes very good with the omelette. What's the name of this fruit? If you know, please comment down below the video. It's delicious, and we don't have it in Europe, as far as I know. Excellent. Next part of the hotel to be highlighted, and which is also one of my favorite outdoor areas ever here during my stay, is the outdoor swimming pool. The pool bar. Right there is my room. Very convenient if I want to go for a beer or whatever cocktail. And the best part, of course, is that I can directly jump into this magnificent pool from my hotel room. This is what I like about this resort. They have for the ground floor rooms direct access to the swimming pool. That's very Thailand, by the way. Of course, if you want to work from here, also no issues. You can just take your laptop and jump here for a morning session, whatever you're doing, you know, or learning, studying. Doesn't matter, like you just take your laptop. Wi-Fi access is everywhere in this resort, and by the way, very good one. What do we have else here? Just this very nice beach grill bar. Fresh. So good. My mouth is burning, and this is so good. You walk outside.
Go to Riley.
By the way, if you're Marriott Bonvoy member, you can enjoy up to 20% discount on food and beverage, and also spa. And speaking of spa, check it out. Cheers.
จากราคาเต็ม 1,500 กว่าบาท
Whatever it is, it tastes good.
ค่ะ You take off your shoes outside?
Of course.
Thank you ค่ะ
Oh, nice. This is nice. Look at.
Yes, okay ค่ะ You take shower first.
No, I already had shower.
You take shower?
I had shower.
Oh, you had shower. Okay, not shower. You clean food first.
Okay.
Okay.
Very good.
Thank you ค่ะ
So coconut oil is good for skin, huh?
Yes, good for skin.
I will not shower. Very good massage. I recommend definitely when you're in Khao Lak, come to this. What's her name?
Yeah.
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 Her name is visitor Meridien
ขอบคุณ
Hotel.
ค่ะ Have a nice
Thank you.
day.
Thank you very much. I think I forgot about the gym. Also they have here a tennis court. Who's playing tennis in this hot weather? Like standing literally 1 minute and I'm already here.
They said at check-in that if you're platinum member or above, you can get free balls, tennis balls. Otherwise, you have to pay. I think it was like $6 or something.
So you have to pay for one ball,
for
$6.
like the tube of balls. Yeah. Otherwise, it's free for.
My opinion. But if you like playing tennis, like
It's
here.
available to you at least. You have the option. What a weird room. Look at this.
The best room in the hotel down there, like special rate, promotion.
If you don't like the sun, that's a great place.
And
I wanted an ocean view. I have like beautiful ocean and.
Yeah, that's all. Like this is the wrong wing of the hotel, and you have here table tennis, fantastic, and pool.
You have 40 baht.
No, yes I do. Australia rating score, value for money 9.5 or even 10 out of 10. $50 a night. You can look in booking.com what kind of hotel you find in your area. This is a bargain. Location, this one is a tricky one for this resort in particular. 8 out of 10 because it's the nearest big city is Phuket, the whole island, and it's like 1.5 hours away from Phuket Airport. This is very remote and very exclusive in my opinion. For dining, I give it also 8 out of 10. It would be nice to have more restaurants open. Hotel cleaners, the cleaning. Hello. Very good, thank you. Can't complain. Can't complain regarding hotel cleaners. 9 out of 10. And service is good. Good service, also can't complain with like 9 out of 10. Hotel facilities, 9 out of 10. I mean, you have everything you need here. Like all in all, this stay was a great value for the money. In average, I paid only $50 US dollars per night. Yes, you heard me right, including breakfast. And for this money, it's a bargain, to be honest. And like, I mean, in Europe for $50, I can get best a 3-star hotel and also a shitty one. I really enjoyed my stay, and I hope you like this video. In case you do like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe, thumbs up, and so far. Thanks for watching. See you next destination, Bali.